What's up, folks? In this particular video, I'm gonna review Tendical. So Tendical is a AppSumo Originals. Actually, it's Amazon Originals, but this is AppSumo Originals. By It's a tool by actually AppSumo. So in this particular video, I'm gonna review in depth into that, like what are the pros and cons and why you need to have this or not. By the way, the timestamps will be given below, so you can quickly click over here and go through that. By the way, I'm also affiliated with AppSumo, so maybe I will refer to a link in this particular video. So that's my affiliate link. So let's start with this particular video. So I'm having a 15 minutes call. When you will create account and purchase it on AppSumo, you will be redirected to dashboard like this. So inside this, you will be able to schedule some call, create some booking. So you can easily do that. So let me quickly edit this particular booking. Oh, let's create new one. Okay. So let me give it a quick name. So let's name it Tentacle, right? Tentacle review. Then I can add a description, the dot dot dot. I don't want to add it over here. The call duration, let's make it for 20 minutes. Then minimum meeting padding. So I will not go into that. So include conference link. So conference link is yours. They are not directly integrated with Zoom yet, but what conference link is, currently you can also integrate with Zoom, but the little trick, like, Zoom give you a URL, that's your personal profile URL, that you can use anywhere to get someone on the call. So that's a personal meeting link that I do not want to share with someone who is coming over here for free, even for paid members. So I want a direct integration. And as per the AppSumo roadmap, if I showcase you, they are having over here. We are planning tons of more Microsoft 360 Calendar, Apple iCloud, Zapier, and Zoom integration. So this is something pretty cool, and they're only $19, so very cheap tool. And now let me go in depth into that. So when you wanna schedule, I don't want to have it this. I wanna have it on Tuesday. So what I need to do, what one cone I that addressed over here is, like, you know what? I can't in Calendly. I have a functionality where I can go and create my calendar, then link all these booking tasks over there. So I from one of my calendar, I will be able to set schedule my time from those booking tasks. I can assign those time to there, but what happens over here is you can't do that. So you need to manually come up over here. So currently also recently introduced that feature, but I think that will be very beneficial. So you need to manually go into and check every timing, a pretty damn thing. So 11 a.m. to 5 p.m., 2 a.m. to 5 p.m., this to this. Then I want to ask you a question. What is your objective behind meeting, right? Skype ID, in case we can connect on Skype. Then I want to charge for this meeting. No, I do not want to charge. So, but basically, they also do not have any kind of direct integration with PayPal. You can, enter your email address, your PayPal business email address there. So, what basically this will do is that PayPal email address will be automatically receive the payment. So, I will showcase you that as well. Then let's click on create meetings. So, our booking type is automatically created. So, where it is? Here you go. Radical review. So it's a 20-minute call. So as you can see, I'm having this. So what basically Tidical is doing is they do not have any kind of this thing yet where you can like schedule like for dates. So what this tool do is, like, from this month to, they select the next 2 months, this existing month and the next month, and the time frame you given, they schedule this for every week, every weekday that you selected. So this is not a good functionality. This is another con of Tidical, that you can't do this in direct integration. So let's go into next thing, and I will not go into that. So this is all about the booking types, nothing. And this is your booking page that you can click over here and check it out. So I think I opened this over here as well. So now as you can see, I added one more meeting. So this looked like this. So I cannot private my meetings as well. Privating my meetings or anything like that. I can't do this over here. Like in currently I got option. Do you want to have this a public link or a private link? So I can't do this as a private link as well. So this is another cone about, Tidical, 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 yeah. But you can, what you can do is, the one practice that I see is, like, you can switch this off, the event as off, then I don't know, this link is also working at that particular moment. I don't know, this is a bug or they do this on a purpose, but yeah, this link also work out when you are out. When you switch this off, then this link will also work out there. So I don't know, this is a pro or con, but consider at your own usage, right? And then let me go into the next step. So in scheduled meetings, you can see, I do not have any kind of scheduled meetings yet, so I will not go into this. So in booking and scheduled bookings, you can check out all your bookings that you are having. Then in my profile, you can edit this particular page, where it is, slash zombie. By the way, I'm gonna change that. And you are also having a little bit tidical branding over here. And I know they will soon they will launch something, a recurring plan or it, like they did in Sandfox. So you will be having option to remove this particular branding. And in the tidical plan as well, they said this is a reduced branding. As you can see, this is reduced branding. And if you check this link, right, where it is, here you go. So he said you can book a call with me personally. So basically you will see, they are having this AppSumo original thing, right? And if I check out my booking page, so what is the difference between both? So I'm not having this. So maybe they will be given an option like this over here. Then let me go back. Yeah. So I can add this exact same. Then I can add this thing. And in book now, you can directly go in and book a meeting with them. So you can add the little description. Let's click on it. And one thing that I see in here, you need to select your time. So they do not have an auto major feature yet, but when you will click on it, they will be automatically detect your time. So I don't know, actually this creates a little bit of, maybe, no, it creates a little bit of a bad impression to me. Why you given this when you're having this thing? So AppSumo need to look into that as well. And but basically you can enter your saver, so, and click on book meeting. That's all you can do, and your meeting will be booked up. And you can add your email over here. You can add your the title of the page, then book. Then you can also select the theme. So theme is nothing as such. This color, this is called theme. And let me go into the Tidical integrations. If I talk about integration, you can add your Google Calendar integration. Currently, my calendar is integrated successfully, as you can see. So they will automatically add my all calendars over there. And if I go next, then I am having an online video conferencing. As I said, you, like, for automatically event creation, you need to go ahead and paste out your personal profile URL. Since they do not have any kind of direct integration, you can enter your PayPal email over here for collecting payments. And they're also having a upcoming Zapier integration. So if I talk about the pros and cons, then I actually wrote that into a paper. So let me just quickly get what it up. And so there is no something called auto syncs. So what auto sync, as you can see, as I told you, they in currently you are having a direct calendar. So they do not have as of now. So maybe they will add inside roadmap. They do not have any kind of Zoom link, no direct Zoom integration, and they do not have any functionality to booking in advance. Creating a date specific thing. To that, they do not have any kind of private links as well. So uh, I argue, not argue, request AppSumo to him to develop these features. If you're watching this, then drop a comment below how you like this particular video. And if you want to check out this particular tool named Tidical, then you can check out using my affiliate link, that is sharaf.link/Tidical, SHEHRAJ slash SHEHRAJ.link slash TIDYCAL, Tidical. And that link will be also given in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this particular review, then make sure to subscribe my channel. And that's all. By the way, I am on a lifetime plan. So the one pro that I found as of now is they are running on lifetime deal, and I really love them. Thank you so much for watching, and you will find me reviewing another SaaS tool. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in next time.